Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm gonna be making the unboxing video you guys been waiting for, or not, because probably you guys didn't even want to. Oh, seriously, you guys probably didn't even want to see it. You guys probably didn't even watch my other video. Look, it comes with batteries. Oh yeah, let's get opening. Oh. I think this is how you open it. I don't think that's how you open it. Yeah, it's this. It's like this right here. Like all this stuff. It tells you in like every language. I think it's every language. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is how you open it, I guess. This is how you open it. Oh. So all the good stuff happened. There's styrofoam. You know styrofoam, so let's see. What is this? The manual or instructions. Wow, look at these. Let's take it out of the wrapper. These are just like some random stuff I don't even really want to know about. Why is it two? Yeah, who needs to read it? Never mind. It's just gotta go. Wait. Sorry guys, I was eating that M&M, which is not sponsored. Here is a charger. Let me just take it with you. I really don't know. Oh, here's this cool, whatever you want to call this, rope. Says camera. See, oh, I think this has a camera. I think this has a camera on it. I need to get this one out. Oh, here are the batteries. It's gonna have batteries for like everything, right? No, only like stuff for like, you get it. Right here, I took out the cube. This is what it look like. Play on the back, or this is the front. Anyway. So you got the charging cord, and yeah. Oh, how do you get this one out? Oh, wait. Oh, there's a piece of styrofoam right here. Whoa, this is so big. And you know, what we gotta have? We have to save the best for last. Or I don't know which one's better for you guys. Comment below. Only in 4 minutes in. Oh, this is so hard. It looks easy, but it's hard. I feel like I'm gonna break it. So I'm not even gonna try to pull it out. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna try. don't see anything in the back. Oh, wow. You gotta do this. That's what the problem is. I could have broke my helicopter. Should have read the manual instructions or manual, whatever you call it. Got one out. There. I got one out. Oh, and I'll tell you guys if you guys should buy it or not buy it. Because to me it looks pretty cool. Now I can pull it out. Yep. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my god. So there's something right there. And that connects to this thing. So then, oh, basically just gotta pull it out. It's not coming out. Oh, it came out. Now I gotta untwist it. Be back right. So guys, I did it. And get the remote. The big weird shaped remote. This is really weird shaped. It's in the back, the front. Let me give you a helicopter 360 view. There. And I'll open up the batteries. Give me 1 sec. I got scissors. And I'm gonna open it. I could just use my fingernails, but I can't. Should be easier to wait. Don't do this at home. It's just adult supervision because I almost cut myself. Yep. Easy now. One out. Oh, 2. Oh, I keep on about to fall 3. And I got the 4th battery. And now I just need a screw. I'll be back again. This already has batteries in it, and you don't need a screwdriver. You could just use a pair of scissors if you want. But if you don't have a screwdriver, you could just use a pair of scissors. Now I gotta put the batteries in. Which way? Oh, this way. I bet. Once you did it all, you gotta screw it back in, and then that's when it started happening because you get to play. I think that's when it happened, but I don't know. Once you did it, it should start working. Wait, what is this? What are these things? I think those are just decorations. I think this is... Alright. This just needs to charge. There's no batteries. And this should start. Yep. Yep. And this you can't see it. On and off. Is it on? Should start lighting up. Wait, I think I gotta charge it. higher, low.
Check. This is on.
Okay, guys, I'll be back. I have to charge it, and then I can play. Okay. So my brother just opened this thingy because I didn't know how to, and there was this thingy in there, and I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Can you comment down below and tell me what that is? Or if you don't know, then you don't have to. Okay, so if I do this and I do that, then that means it's time to play because I have to charge it apparently. Okay. I don't think it's gonna work. So it landed. That was cool, right? I went up here, I went up there, and then I went up here, and I went up there, and